name is Bernard Ochieng, a student from Migori Teachers Training College. I explored around the school compound and came up with a certain problem that is commonly faced within the school compound and outside the community. The problem was talking about food waste. Food waste is the loss of edible foods that are discarded during the processing, production, and distribution. And this waste can be deposited at one particular place, as you can see. When food have been deposited in one particular places, there are some of the common impacts that is going to be faced by the environment around. Some of the impacts to the community. Number one, we are going to talk about health. When the food particles are disposed in areas like this, the food can lead to the multiplication of some common diseases that can affect the environment of the people, and the bacteria that can be also be multiplied to the food particles that have been disposed, that can be multiplied and transported by fleas into our foods that can affect our health. Secondly, we want to talk about the environmental. Environment can be very dirty, and as well as this waste can also affect the breathing system of the human being, as they produce some of the harmful smell when you are around. After coming up with the problem within our school environment, I ended up coming up with a plan or a strategy or a project that can be used to help reduce the waste in the environment. The proposed project was on about composting. An example of a compost is a compost manure, as you can see here. This is a sample that has been done by some of our students within the school college. And after this, I want to talk about some of the benefits of compost or impact of compost manure to the environment. Number one, we can talk about the fertility. It can increase the fertility of the land, and we will make the plant or the produce to be high. Number two is the reduction of cost. As we use the farm compost manure that we have come up with on our own, this will help us to save on the cost or the amount of money that we have used to purchase the common fertilizer that are manufactured.